Way Day is here, which I would like them to call it Way Days because it's actually 3 days for the first time ever, which means more flash deals than ever before because they have some rotating ones each day. And this is the lowest prices of Wayfair all year. So be sure to check this out. I'm going to show you some of my favorites now. First up is this bench. It is one of my favorite finds, and it has this gray wash and the beautiful woven detail. I actually think this one looks way better in person than it does in the Wayfair online photos. So I wanted to point this one out because it shouldn't be overlooked. Really great for the end of a bed or an entryway. I love this dresser. Comes in a few different colors. This is the taupe, I believe, and it comes assembled, which is a major bonus. So definitely a good kind of like, not super inexpensive, but middle range kind of option that has really good style and is just super pretty. Here's the drawers. So there's the gist. One of my favorite pieces in our whole home. This is an extra large daybed bench. It's seriously huge and it looks really high end, beautiful slip cover style, which I love, and just get it if you want one. A bunch of stuff in our bedroom that I recently shared is from Wayfair. This rug, it's so pretty. It's nice and thick, very neutral, high quality. Such a good one. And the bed, also Wayfair. It's like a velvet, so beautiful and modern, but those curves, right? And then the artwork, definitely such a win. These are a steal for the set of 3. They come in 2 sizes. I got the larger size, and that's the natural frame. They also have, I think, a black frame and a white frame, but lots of really good options with those. Love these chairs. They're so pretty. They're a faux leather. We're actually using them here in our homeschool room at desks, but these would be really good dining chairs as well. Beautiful modern detail and just a really pretty color. This is the brown. This sectional is one that I have posted in my Instagram stories a couple times because it is such an amazing price. Super soft, love the fabric. And it's quite comfortable. It's like nice and dense, so it's like not the kind you like sink into, but it's comfortable, it kind of forms to your body. Really, really happy with this purchase and couldn't believe the price, so check this one out. One of my favorite faucets, also from Wayfair. It's gorgeous. You can find the product links of my latest sale finds from Way Day down below in description. That top link will take you to my blog post where I have all the deals. And then also this toilet. I know it's a random thing to share, but it's my favorite toilet. Also Wayfair. It's modern and affordable.